Alright, let's see what happens when we feed this whole pineapple into the shredder. Look at that. It's turned into a sweet, fluffy pile in seconds. Perfect for juicing or compost.
That's old red bike and it's going into the shredder. Let's fire it up. Those teeth are hungry. Here we go. There goes the front wheel. Listen,
Old oxygen cylinder is empty and we're sending it through the shredder. Dropping it in. Listen to that hiss. Pure metal confetti. Gone. One shredded oxygen tank.
Right, time to put this old crane out of its misery. Remote's on.
Hear that? That's the shear biting.
And there it goes.
Twisting like tin foil.
Flat as a pancake now.
Crane crushed.
We're about to crush this old excavator. Watch this. There it goes. Squeeze it. And twist. Listen to that metal cry. Flattened. That's how you retire.
To start building a balloon fort. Watch the steel one blow up. Perfect. I'll tape it right here. There. The wall's growing fast. Okay, entrance is ready. I'm going in. Look at this place. It's all colors and it's floating up. Got a big cube of clear ice here. I'm going to cut it down into cocktail size pieces. Towel holds it steady and the heel of the knife goes right through the center. Hear that crack? That's the cube splitting clean. We'll do one more. This little house doesn't stand a chance. Here we go. Just like that. Gone. That's how you crush a house. Gloves and goggles on. Time to break some glass pieces. Let's go. That crack never gets old. All cleaned up. Satisfying, right? Got a big cube of clear ice here. I'm going to cut it down into cocktail size pieces. Towel holds it steady and the heel of the knife goes right through the center. Hear that crack? That's the cube splitting clean. We'll do one more. This little house doesn't stand a chance. Here we go. Just like that. Gone. That's how you crush a house. Gloves and goggles on. Time to break some glass pieces. Let's go. That crack never gets old. All cleaned up. Satisfying, right? To start building a balloon fort. Watch the steel one blow up. Perfect. I'll tape it right here. There. The wall's growing fast. Okay, entrance is ready. I'm going in. Look at this place. It's all colors and it's floating up.
Right, time to crush some iron. This chunk weighs about 50 pounds. Watch the heat needed. And listen to that grind. There it goes. Nothing but shreds now. I love this machine. Hear that crunch?
Alright, this is a solid steel gear from a gearbox about 30 pounds. Look at that shredder. You can bite down. It's cracking it like it's nothing. Gone. Just bits and pieces now. That machine doesn't play around. Nothing.
Right, let's fire up the shredder and see this old dump truck disappear. Here comes the first truck. Listen to that crunch. It's like paper getting chewed up. The drums just pull it right under and in seconds it's nothing but bits.
That's a couple of beat up footballs and a hungry shredder. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, listen to that. It just eats it like nothing. That's all that's left. Foam, leather, confetti. Shredded in seconds. Pretty wild, right? Thumbs up. A stack of worn out buckets. Let's see what the shredder thinks about this red one. Listen to that crunch. It turns into confetti in seconds. Blue one next. Gone. All that's left, flakes ready for recycling. It is running. Let's see what it does to a brick. Here goes the first one. Listen to that. Turn to dust in seconds. Let's toss another. Same story. Gone. All shredded. Solid chunk of oak here. Let's see what the shredder thinks of it. Feeding it in. Listen to that bite. That's it. A whole block turned into chips in seconds. Pretty satisfying. This old aluminum window is going in. Let's see what the shredder does with it. Listen to that crunch. All that's left are tiny pieces like these. Shredded in seconds. Ready to be recycled. A big shredder and we've got a gorgeous steel sofa lined up for it. Let's send it through. Here it goes. Wow, look at how the teeth grab it. Foam and wood everywhere. And that's it. Beautiful sofa turned into fluff and splinters. We're about to turn this big sheet of glass into tiny bits. Watch this. You can hear it crunching already. Those teeth just pull it right in. Every piece gets chewed up and dropped below. And that's what we're left with. Spark. Solid chunk of oak here. Let's see what the shredder thinks of it. Feeding it in. Listen to that bite. That's it. A whole block turned into chips in seconds. Pretty satisfying. We've got a chest freezer here and this shredder can chew through just about anything. Let's drop it in. Here it goes. Listen to that. It's ripping it apart. And that's all that's left of a freezer. Let's see what this shredder can do with these oranges. Here we go. That is incredible. Look at all that juice. Fresh pulp. Mission accomplished. This is the big shredder and today we're feeding it a whole container house. Let's fire it up. There it goes. Listen to that metal tear. The floor, the cabinets, everything just disappears into those drums. In minutes, the whole house is chips and shine. We got a full-size fire extinguisher here. Let's see what the shredder does to it. Oh, that was wild. Nothing left but powder and scraps. Light up. Alright, time to give this Pakistani bike a proper send-off. Let's fire up the shredder. Here it goes. Listen to that thing chew through it. Nothing but scrap now. Job done. Going in. Listen to that crunch. Another one. This thing doesn't even slow down. Two at a time, no problem. That's a lot of LED TVs turned into scrap. All that's left is dust and tiny whole roll of bubble wrap here. Gonna see what the shredder thinks of it. Listen to this. Oh, that's the sound of 1,000 pops at once. So good. Let's give it another sheet. Look at that, pure confetti. That's bubble wrap dust. How to send this sports bike through the shredder. Check this out. Let's do it. Listen to that bite in. Front wheel's gone already. Sparks flying. It's eating the frame like butter. Nothing but scrap now. This is the beast. We're gonna feed it this car. Let's roll it in. Hear that? Eating it alive. Nothing but scrap now. Thumbs up. This old computer iron table has had a long life. We are about to give it a noisy send-off. Here we go. Listen to that grind. Nothing stopping those teeth. That's all that's left now. A handful of twisted metal. Goodbye. Let's see how the cylinders hold up against the shredder. Listen to that crunch. Just eats them like candy. All that's left is this. Shaved metal and nothing else. Out of the yard and the Land Cruiser behind me is about to meet the shredder. Watch this. There it goes. Listen to that. It's just eating the front end like paper. That is a Land Cruiser no more. Completely gone. What a sight.